Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to set up Renko charts in TradingView in 2026. Now guys, if you are interested in TradingView premium subscription, you can just check out the link of this particular Black Friday deal in the description. In it, you will get the subscriptions at up to 80% off plus 1 month additional. Only 2 days left in this deal, so make sure that you hurry and grab this deal. So in order to set up the Renko charts in TradingView, you first of all need to come here on tradingview.com, then log into your account if you haven't already. Over here, first of all, you need to launch a chart. For that, you can either click on the option of products, or you can directly click on the search bar here on the top right hand corner, and then you can look for any of the tickers in order to launch its chart. Now once the chart is in front of you, as you can see, currently the chart is showing you the candles. So over here what you can do is you can either change the time frames that is available here on the top. Right after the time frames option, you will see the option of candles. So when you click on the option of candles, it is going to show you bunch of different types of candles that you can basically look here on your chart. So since we want to set up the Renko chart, you need to click on it. Then in this list, you need to look for the Renko chart. You can also mark this as star so that you could quickly switch from the candles to the Renko chart. Now, once you click on the option of Renko, its form will be available here on the top. Your chart is also going to show you that it is a Renko or the ATR 15, and this is the Renko chart that we see over here. So now you can put your analysis over here and use the Renko chart very easily. If this video helped you out, make sure that you give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and also comment below if you have any questions in mind. Thanks for watching.